Start with the name of the good. Hello everyone. Today I'm showing you one of the best developer. It's called Townhouse. They have the project in Luma 21, which is handed over, and there's another project in Luma 22. So they just smoke an apartment here. So here's like grill, dishwasher, washing machine. You have place for washing machine, place for dishwasher. So basically this unit, and this is like scratchless. This is your living area. Guest toilet. First bedroom. Basically the mock-up for 3-bedroom apartment. Standing shower. Second bedroom. Starting the washroom. This is like your best bedroom. This is your third bedroom. So basically the ceiling of that unit is 3.3 meter, and in the first floor 3.1 meter. So if you want to invest in JVC area, stay tuned for my video always for the best developer in JVC. So we have property management company, buying, selling, renting, all we are doing. Let's stay tuned for my video. Thank you. Have a good day.